Hi, I'm Isaac Cardoza. I'm a wealth advisor here at Pacific Wealth Management. Today I want to talk to you about my white paper on digital estate planning. Let's dive in. Before we get too much further into it, I think it's important to define what a digital asset is. It's kind of an all-encompassing definition from digital assets, like actual digital assets, like an online bank account, cryptocurrency, to other assets that are valuable to you, like your social media accounts, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and then also things like cloud storage, whether that's through iCloud or Google through its Google Drive or Amazon Web Services, as well as other things like blogs and websites that you may own. Think for a moment that you became incapacitated or even passed away. Would your family be able to access those digital assets? And I know for me personally, resetting my own password is a little bit of a chore with two-factor authentication. It's crucial to have a plan in place for your family to act not only with the legal authority, but also efficiently and not pull their hair out when they're trying to manage your digital assets. The first step is to generate a list of all your accounts. Here's a checklist to get the juices flowing. This is in the white paper. Kind of get your ideas flowing on what type of accounts you should include. It's important to include the website or the application that you're using, the username that you use to log in, the password, at least the current password, as well as the email that the account's actually linked to. I think that's a crucial piece to this because if they do need to reset or send a two-factor, it's either going to go to your cell phone number or it's going to be sent to that email address. So it's important to keep that in there. Once you've created the list and saved it in a safe spot, whether that's your safety deposit box or the vault on the Compass Center, it's important to review your trust documents. And the next time you do have an estate planning meeting with your attorney, see if there's an area or a section within your trust that addresses your digital assets. There's some basic language that you can put in there to provide the authority for your trustees or your successor trustee to act on your behalf with regards to your digital assets. The next step you can take is set up a legacy contact on your iPhone or what Google calls a Google Inactive Account Manager. Google uses the Android operating system. You have iOS on Apple's iPhone. I'm going to show you an example of what it looks like on an iPhone here in a second, but basically what it is it allows a person's family or whoever they list as that legacy contact to access their device, their applications, their subscriptions, their email that's linked to it, and as well as a password manager on that. And I think this is just the best way to do it. Save your passwords on the password manager on your phone and allow a legacy contact or the Google version to have access once you pass away or become incapacitated. So I'm going to jump on my iPhone here to show you how to add a legacy contact. First thing you want to do is hit the settings app, the gears. Once you get into here, you want to hit your name on the top to pull up your Apple account. From here, you want to hit sign in and security. And then on the bottom, the second from the bottom, you'll see that legacy contact selection. You want to hit that. Clearly it says set up, so I haven't set this up yet. Once we let that load, it's going to pull up the information on what the legacy contact does. You're adding a specific contact and granting them access to all of your information on your iCloud, text messages, photos, videos, notes, documents. And you're going to share an access key with them that they'll use along with a copy of your death certificate, a certified copy, to access this account. I'm going to add my brother, so I search for Ivan. I'm going to hit continue. Let this load for a second. It's going to generate a text message to send to him or allow me to print out the access key. I'm going to send it to him via text, so he'll have it on his phone. I'm going to hit send access key, and then I'm going to send this, a preview of the message. I'm going to send it to him, and then he's going to get this message as you see there, and boom, legacy contact has been added. So that's how you add a legacy contact on an iPhone. The next thing to talk about once the digital assets are planned for is your digital legacy. It's the accumulation of everything that we've ever posted online. Let's say we posted to YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all your blog posts, everything you've put out there from the time that you first got on social media and started creating content. What do you want to happen with that? as well as what happens on your personal devices, your iCloud storage, your Google Docs storage. Do you want all that to be deleted? Do you want your family to have access to it? And do you want the Facebook page to be turned into a memorial? Like, these are decisions that they have to sit with, and they're large decisions because a lot of our memories are online. So having a plan in place helps them in an already difficult time. If you have any questions on any of these topics, please don't hesitate to reach out to Pacific Wealth Management, pacwealth.com, and thanks for watching the video today.